How to adjust forehand return based on spin. Have you ever wondered how to adjust your forehand return in table tennis based on the spin of the incoming ball? Understanding how to react to different spins can greatly improve your consistency and control. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about the types of spins you might encounter. Topspin is when the ball rotates forward. This causes the ball to bounce higher and accelerate after it hits the table. When returning topspin, you want to be careful because the ball can pop up off your racket if you are not prepared. Next, we have backspin, also known as underspin. This spin rotates backward, causing the ball to slow down and stay low after it bounces. If you do not adjust your racket angle correctly, the ball may drop too low off your racket. Then there is sidespin. This spin causes the ball to curve or drift to the left or right, depending on the direction of the spin. Recognizing this spin early is key to making the right adjustments. Now let's discuss how to adjust your racket angle for each type of spin. For topspin returns, tilt your racket slightly downward. This helps keep the return low and controlled. For backspin, tilt your racket slightly upward. This prevents the ball from dropping too low and allows you to add some lift. When it comes to sidespin, adjust your racket angle sideways. If the ball curves to your left, close the racket face slightly. If it curves to your right, open it slightly. Now let's look at specific techniques for each type of spin. When returning topspin, use a slightly closed racket face and employ a forward and slightly downward brushing motion. A quick flick or loop can work well, depending on the ball's speed. For backspin, open your racket face and use an upward and forward brushing stroke. This helps lift the ball over the net while adding topspin to your return. A push or flip can be effective based on the ball's height. When dealing with sidespin, watch the ball's trajectory and the server's racket motion. Adjust your racket angle to counter the curve. Use a short, controlled stroke to maintain placement, aiming for your opponent's weaker side. To improve your forehand serve-receive consistency, practice recognizing spin quickly. Observe the server's racket angle and the ball's trajectory. Repeated practice with different spins builds muscle memory for the correct racket angles and stroke timing. When facing mixed spin serves, be ready to adjust your racket angle and stroke dynamically. Placement is also important. Adjust your return direction based on the spin to keep the ball on the table and make it hard for your opponent to attack. Lastly, maintain a relaxed grip and a short stroke to react quickly to spin variations. By mastering these adjustments, you will enhance your forehand return and overall performance in table tennis.